Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. I feel like this video, first of all, it's never been requested, but I feel like it's needed, maybe for people who aren't even subscribed to my channel, but it's how to style your French bob. So many of us are getting our hair chopped, and I've honestly had short hair since like, oh my god, high school, 2016. So I'm kind of used to it. I know a lot of tips and tricks, even if your hair feels like it's not meant to be short, how to make it work and without any heat. I never ever put heat on my hair, and I'm not joking, never ever. I don't blow dry my bangs, I don't do any of that. So I want to show you guys how I can style my French bob with all my colics, with my weird hair texture. There's probably a bunch of other things, but let's not diss on myself. Before we get into this video, I did want to say thank you so much to Ritual for sponsoring. I have their prebiotic, probiotic, postbiotic, symbiotic plus right now. I'm currently taking antibiotics because I have mastitis. I knew how important it was to get my probiotics in while taking antibiotics. Probiotics are important anyways. I feel like everybody and their mother knows that. You don't have to be a doctor. I actually ordered this one myself, and I have another one coming in like for this video, but I'm gonna be taking them after. They're like the pretty vitamins that everybody knows. And they smell minty. Oh my gosh, I already took mine today. I probably should have thought that through. But I just take it first thing in the morning with my antibiotics or with whatever you're taking. You don't have to take like food with it. It offers immune support, digestive support, and gut support with 2 of the world's most clinically studied probiotics. These are really important to me right now with like flu season and all that stuff. I want to stay healthy as I can, especially being a mom. Being sick is the worst, or getting your little one sick. And probiotics help support your immune health, as 70% of the immune system is located in your gut. So it's more than just like your regular probiotic. It contains prebiotic and postbiotic. If you guys want to check out Ritual and the Symbiotic Plus, take them with me. You guys can use the link in the description box or use my code LaineyOzark30 for 30% off your first month. Let's get into my favorite French bob hairstyles. So before I even get started, something I've learned with colics, my hairdresser actually recommended this to me. It is the Bumble & Bumble BB thickening spray. This stuff is godly. I literally don't use like certain hair products or any hair products, but once I got this, I literally use it every time I get out of the shower. You can kind of see in my bangs, just because I got sweaty last night, so my bangs like, but this is second day hair. I slept on my bangs and they still lay like this. I have a colic up here, and right when I get out of the shower, I'll just spray this stuff wherever I have a colic. I also have one back here so my hair doesn't lay correctly. I'll spray it back there, and then I'll take a finer tooth comb and like really brush it into the way that I want my hair to lay. And this stuff, it says preps hair for lush blow dries, but it kind of just gives some structure. Maybe if you have really like silky or thin hair, it'll give it some structure so it will lay the way you like actually want it to lay. So if you have trouble with colic, definitely try this stuff out. I've talked about it before, but that's how I get my hair prepped to what it is. This is my hair natural. Like I said, I don't blow dry it. I have some weird texture back here, but honestly, I feel like weird texture just adds to the like French bob look. It's a little bit grown out. Last time I got it cut, it was probably a little bit more above my chin, but you can still do all these hairstyles with it. So let's do my first go-to. So simple, but it is so stinking cute with short hair. Pigtails. You guys know how to do pigtails, I'm sure. And the messier, honestly, the better. I just split it down the middle. I take little hair elastics. And I think the trick for pigtails with short hair is get them as low as possible at the nape of your neck. Don't really pull them to the side or anything. It'll just make them look, I don't know, they're just cuter. Low and at the more centered. And then I'll just kind of pull these pieces out. I'm sure you guys, if you watch my channel, have seen me wear this hairstyle 1,004 times. Should I bring my light closer? Okay. Maybe that's better. Pigtails. Next thing, go to the dollar store, get some ribbon. You don't need to buy bows for this, because honestly, the messier the better. Sometimes if they're a little too perfect, it can look a little too little kiddish. And yes, I'm wearing pigtails with bows and I'm 25. So I'll just take my hair ties. There it is. Literally the messier the better. You can't go wrong with gingham. It goes with everything. You kind of see it from the front. Super cute. Okay, keeping the pigtails in. They're not pigtails, they're pigtails. You can turn them into little space buns. And again, I like them low, close together. Just twist the hair around itself. And then tie your little elastic around. The messier, the better. And there we go. Something a little bit different, but basically the same. Very cute. Okay, let's move on from that. We're gonna have kind of the same thing. This is one I've been like perfecting because I sometimes just want my hair like pulled back. And if your hair is really short, you probably can't just do a little low pony tie. But I honestly do love the look of a founding father low pony tie and just like tying. I have this little knit bow, just tying this on. Like, it's cute because your pony tie is so little, I think. It works. I just made this. I knitted the hair tie myself, but they have them all over Etsy and stuff. But if you want your hair like a little bit higher up, we're gonna take from like the top of the ears back. So even if your hair has a bit of layers, you should be able to do this. Take that top section of hair, put it in a pony tie, and then do that same kind of space bun twist. And then we're gonna do the same to the bottom section. And you wanna keep it like as close to the other bun as possible, but you don't have to. If you can't, you can always lower your top bun, and then that will make it so your bottom one can come together a little bit easier. And that's how I can get my hair into like a higher bun, is just a little double bun. And I think it's honestly so cute. I just figured this one out like yesterday. And then I was like, oh, I can do a hairstyles video because they're all not just extremely boring. I don't know, I love it. Also, can you tell I cut my bangs yesterday? Too short. I also wanted to do it when my hair didn't look absolutely perfect because then it just feels unattainable. And if you're on here and you feel like you got a bad haircut, I gave myself a bad haircut yesterday and we can still make our hair look pretty cute. I see people put like a claw clip right on top of this and then it feels like a normal claw clip. We all just lose our claw clips. I can't find it, but you get it. I think this one's really cute. And like if you wanted to dress up more, like maybe for a wedding or something and you wanted to do an updo, I think that you could get away with this and make it look, you know, a little bit more put together. These are taking me half a second. Okay, let's take it out. No, we're stuck like this forever. Another hairstyle that I think looks absolutely adorable with just like a bob in general, doesn't have to be a French bob, is just half up, half down. I'll normally go probably at like eyebrow level and pull that hair up. And again, the messier the better. Like if it has a little bit of a bump and poofs to it, I think it looks cuter. So just really messily, we're gonna throw this up with an elastic, and then you can leave it like that, obviously, or add your little bow, and it is so stinking cute like this. Isn't it cute? I think it's really cute. And I think like just like the bumps and the messiness adds to it. So there's another one. I don't know what number we're on, but we're just gonna keep rolling. Ow! These ones are really simple. I feel like we could get crazy with like, you know, like 2 little piggies and stuff like that. But honestly, those aren't what I wear and I want to show what I wear. So let's say you have a really bad bang day and it's just like not working. This is what I do. Instead of what you would think to do, which is like go down the middle and pin both sides. Maybe if you have bangs, you have a big forehead like I do. That is the devil to me. And it's so ugly on me, so I can't do that. And then the other one would be like the classic 2000s push. Again, don't make me do that. What I'll actually do is give myself a side part, and I don't get the hate on side parts. They work. Just don't do a comb over side part. Go like an inch away from your middle part. And we'll go over, splitting the bangs as well. And then, like, do you see my colic? My colic is insane. So normally I'll like absolutely annihilate it with hairspray, but I don't feel like it right now. I'll just take like a classic barrette. I got these ones off Amazon, and I will pin my bangs like as high up as I need to go. And it doesn't look as bad when they're so high up on the side. And then the other side, because mine, again, bad colic, I will just pin it with a bobby pin and kind of like hide it. Like that. And then I don't think it looks like atrocious with my hair down and the side part. I honestly think it's pretty cute. I look jarringly different when you go like bangs to no bangs. But if I'm having a bad bang day, I'm normally just like having a bad hair day or just tired and want my hair up, I will just pull it back in like a low pony or bun. So I'll do that same little trick of twisting it because my hair is long enough to all get back there now. And like this is my version of a slicked back hairstyle with, you know, bangs and short hair. Is it perfect? No, I don't know. I like the side part better than like a middle part slick back when you have bangs. So that's my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick one, but I gotta get these out before my bangs stick, you know. I am pro just wearing it down, and if it doesn't look perfect, nobody notices but you. I hope if you're watching this video and you think you got a bad haircut, that you realize it's just hair, it'll grow back, and things normally just look jarring on you because you're not used to it. But I bet if somebody else saw you who like hadn't seen you with your hair before, they'd think you look absolutely adorable and couldn't imagine you anyway else. Yeah, I've had a lot of really bad haircuts, so I get it. But this isn't a bad one. A French bob is not a bad haircut. It is chic, it is cute. It's just different than the like long Victoria's Secret hair, but it's more fun, TBH. And if you're thinking of getting one, it's the best. I'm never going back to any other haircut. So that's it for this video. Remember to check out Ritual. You can use my code LaineyOzark30 or the link in the description box for 30% off your first month. I love you guys absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.